Hello, Marski! Magandang gabi! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Hello, Super Tinang Vlogs, my friend. Super Tinang, sis. Thank you. Marski, first thumbs up. Salamat, sis Tinang, sa iyong second thumbs up. Mega love shout out to all of you, Marski and Tinang. Good evening! Welcome to Abra. Naimbang harabi kada kayo amin. Mas maganda pa ikaw sa gabi, host. Oh, wow naman. Ayan, may premiere si Tinang. Tayo'y sampalin ang kanyang premiere. Ay, wag. Tayo tusukin ng kanyang premiere. Ayan, post natin. Ilocana ka, host. Wow, Ilocana. Oh, diba? Dito sa purong kailokanuhan sa Abra. Alright, thank you so much.
Ready?
Tusukin natin ang upcoming premiere ni Lalabs Tinang.
What is that?
Pairam naman ng mga gadget ni Jan, mga kids. Tayo'y marathon ng video. Break time na mga kids. Matulog na. Akin na yung mga gadgets. Tutulogin na natin sila para marami tayong gagamitin gadgets. Hi, UG Creation, Kitchen and Vlog. Hi, sis. Hello. Hello there, UG. Mega love shout out to you, UG. Just drop a link, UG. Bago ang lahat, tayo'y tusukin muna ang premiere. UG, please tusok the upcoming premiere of Super Tinang. Super Tinang is very supportive friend. Let's tusok the upcoming premiere. May upcoming premiere. Kailan itong upcoming premiere? Morski, thank you so much. Namaste, Yuji. Namaste. Good evening. Sa English, magandang gabi. At naimbag nga rabi kada kayo amin, Yuji. Marami akong greetings. Yun lang alam ko. Ayan, puntahan nga natin ang upcoming ni Sis Tinang. Wow, ang daming upcoming Sis Tinang. Sa 6. Ay, mayroon pa bukas. Ah, ngayon, 8:45. Ayan, 8:45. Puntahan natin, ayan. Notification on. Alright, 8:45 mamayang gabi. Ang premiere ni Sis Tinang. Alright, nakatusok na si Tinang. Naku, hindi ko mabasa dyan. Can come cooks. Can jam pala. Ano ba yan? Can jam cooks. Miss J, hello. Mega mega love shout out to Can jam cooks. And also my friend, Crafts and Embroidery. Hello, Crafts. I'm sure you have a new upload there, Crafts. You just drop the link. Hello, Can jam cooks. I will give you a jacket. Miss Chuchay, hello, have a nice day. Has a nice evening here in the Philippines. Miss Chuchay. Dilshod, the master Dilshod. Hello, Tamsak Dan, thank you so much. Kanjam Cooks, I will give you a moderator here. Alright, may moderator na kayo dyan. Ayan, welcome back. Wala na sila. Hi, Kanjam Cooks. Let's all be friends. Yes, let's all be friends. I want you to meet my friend there, the one I pinned. Super Tinang 88 Vlogs is very supportive, my friend, Kanjam Cooks. She has a premiere tonight at 8:45. We can go to her premiere. All right. Airing Live. Hello, Airing Live. How's your pussycat? How's your Ming Ming airing life? I miss your Ming Ming. Let's all be friends. Kanjam Cooks. Airing life is also a good friend. Hi, can I be mod? Hello, MOD. Hello, MOD. Good evening to you, my friend. MOD, welcome to my live in Abra. Abra is our place. In the countryside of Philippines. They're okay. Wow, they're okay. Pinakain mo ba ng mga chinik-chinik dyan? Oo, ang ganda-ganda ng mga pusa ni Erin Life. Ayan. Kanjam Goods. Erin Life is a good friend also. You can connect with each other, guys. Don't worry, you all already have a moderator. Ngayon lang nakabalik, galing bukid. Ay, wow, galing bukid. Kami naman po, nag-bamboo planting kanina. Nag-bamboo planting kami sa school. Meron naman akong nai-contribute, isang bamboo. Ang hirap, ang bigat-bigat kasi nun. Buhatin mo siya, tapos akyat ka dun sa medyo burol. Tapos isasaka mo itatanim. Alright, Billy's TV, naimbag nga rabi, madam, naimbag nga rabi kanyam, sir, Billy's TV, taga saan ka, Billy's TV, taga Abraak Village TV, kang kati moderator mo kabsat, ayan, ada bagyo na ditayan ni ma'am, ada dito'y Abra kabsat, nga panay sindi ang brown out, panay sindi, on and off ang brown out, dito sa Abra, kaso ngayon, hapon, medyo maaliwalas na ang paligid. Hindi, naudlot si Bagyo, natakot yata sa mga nangyayari dito sa Abra. Natakot si Bagyo, hindi pumasok si Enteng, pumasok pero saglit lang, umalis din agad, ayaw niyang magtagal. Thank you naman. Jamie, how are you, good friend? Hello, Deco Jim, my friend, Deco Jim. Deco Jim, my friend Super Tinang has a live, has a upcoming premiere tonight, 8:45. All right, we can like her upcoming premiere tonight, so we are all notified and attend to her upcoming premiere. Don't worry, Super Tinang is a very good friend. She can support you also of your bananas, and watch our Ibabak lang dahil link ko, Madam Juan, Billy's TV. Ibabak lang tayo, amo ka kadagiti friends ko. Deco Jim, I have new friend here, Billy's TV. He's gonna drop this link. All right. All right, Billy's TV. Billy's TV, kung bago ka damdaman ka dito yung channel ko. Ayan, patamsak naman sa upcoming premiere ni Super Tinang. Billy's TV, baka naman dyan. Don't worry, babalikan ka ni Super Tinang. Very, supportive. Monetized channel na si Sister Super Tinang, pero supportive siya. Alright? Tutusukan natin panonoorin natin ang pa-watch naman mga classmates. Alright, from Billy's TV. Hello, Deco Dream. If you are not yet connected to Billy's TV, you can connect to Billy's TV and he can connect back to you. Alright, one banana. One banana na rin yun. Deco Dream. Kuya Joel Alagad. Good evening, Kuya Joel Alagad. Naimbag na rabikan niyang Kuya Joel Alagad. Thank you sa patamsak. Nagla-live ka ba, Kuya? Nagla-live ka ba? Pasugurin natin kung nagla-live ka. Alright, sa mga hindi pa nakatamsak sa upcoming premiere ni Super Tinang 88 Vlogs, please do. Patamsak naman dyan, mga kapatid, sa nakapin. And then, pagkatapos niyan, yung nagbaba kanina ng bahay, si Billy's TV, and then si Deco G. Jose Purganan. Naimbagarabi, mapo. Jose Purganan. Naimbagarabi kanyam, sir. Purganan. Naimbagarabi kanyam, sir. Ikang kati jacket mo. Ayan, the jacket na ni Jose. Sir Jose. Naimbag nga rabi ikanyam, Sir Jose. Taga saan ka, Sir Jose? Taga Abraak, Sir. dito kami Abraapo. Yes, I will watch your new video. Please make thumbs up to the one I pinned. Then I will pin your link. After 1 minute, I will pin your link. Kamiling Tarlac. Taga Kamiling Tarlac. Adda kanakak dita kampo, dita Tarlac, dita nya pa taga ano pa din ni Jasonan? Kampo. Kampo dita Tarlac. Tadya am ti exact location na di Tarlac, pero taga Tarlac ni kaanaka. Army. Pa-watch classmate, all right. Tamsak dan dikit sa nakapin. Thank you so much, Kuya Joel Alagad. Thank you so much. Wana po, ananagan mo nga po. Siya ni Miss Jamie Apo Baliena ang aking maiden name. Pero madayag. Pin natin si Billy. All right, 5 minutes for Billy. Sa mga hindi pa po nakadikit kay Kuya Billy. Baka naman. Dita kamiling. Adda amok. Idi dita. Ay, wow. Toledo apelido na. Apelido na mo, DJ, kanakak dita Tarlac. Valiero. Valiero ang kanyang stepfather. Valiero. Billy's TV, hello. Ayan, Deco Dream. I want you to meet my new friend here, Billy's TV. Please get connected with Billy's TV, my friend Deco Dream. He is also a Filipino, just like me. Ilocano. Iwan lang bakas, guys. Babalikan ko kayo. Deco Dream, he said, just leave a comment in his video, the one I pinned, Billy's TV. And then, Billy's TV will connect back to you, Deco Dream. All right. Latin America Official, hello from Chicago. Mega love shout out from Chicago. Latin America Official. Hello, Latin America. Maraming mga Ilocano dito, Latin America. Ayan, si Dilis Dream, si Kuya Jose. Pinapakilala ko po sa inyo si Dilis TV, si Kuya Jose, na mga Ilocano din. Ayan, si Deco Dream from Pakistan. My friend Deco Dream. He is also a very supportive friend from Pakistan. Kuya Billy, pag-connect na po kay Kuya Deco Dream, very supportive yan. Kada magla-live ka, pupunta yan sa channel mo. Hola amiga, tamsak send po. Alright, thank you so much sa mga patamsak niyo dyan. Dito lang, ayan, si Sis Super Tinang. Naka-watch na po ba tayo sa Billy's TV? Tapos ibabalik ko to, Super Tinang, yung binaba mo mamaya, mga 8:30. 8:30. Ay, hugas lang plato daw si Super Tinang. Tamang-tama, upcoming premiere si Super Tinang ng 8:45, guys. Very supportive yan si Super Tinang. Tsaka si Kuya Joel Vlog. Kuya Joel Vlog, yan. Alagad niya ang pinasugod kasi baka nagla-live si Kuya Joel. Very supportive yan si Kuya Joel. Ayan, Billy TV, Dan, dikit full pack. Ayan, Kuya Billy, marami nang nakadikit sa'yo. Baka naman, mag-connect back ka din. Buenos Dias mula sa Chicago host. Buenos Dias. From Abra naman. Naimbag na rabi kanyang Latin America official. Naimbag na rabi. Alright. Ibig sabihin, magandang gabi. Alright. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Bilis join Dan. Ayan, Deco Dream, Bilis TV, naka-join na daw si Deco Dream. Practice, may tagle siyang miga. You don't really know, you are not fluent in Tagalog? I will teach you. Alright. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. Ayun. Buenas noches, mi amiga. Totoo ba naman yung mga pinagsasabi ko dito? Latin America official, ayan. The Tagalog for magandang gabi. For good evening. I'm Americano na. You're American. I think you're Latin. Yes, American but Latino, right? Magandang gabi po from Mr. Magandang gabi po. Ayan na, good evening. From Super Tinang. Mag-upcoming premiere si Super Tinang later at 8:45. Let's support her upcoming premiere also. Nakapag-watch na po ba lahat kay Dilis TV, guys? Baka naman i-support natin. Oo, Latin Americano po host. Wow, Latin Americano. Pero magaling mag-Tagalog si Latin Americano. Como este Latin America? Wow, Kuya Joel. Buti nandiyan ka. Raise the roof, Kuya Joel. Ito ang savior ko ngayon sa Latino. Si Kuya Joel. Mapuntahan nga si Kuya Joel, baka nagla-live ito si Kuya Joel. Nga ro, Venas, ares kanu ko, jak maamot, kaya nasa unin. Ayan, Kuya Joel, baka nagla-live ka ngayon. Tamang-tama nagla-live si Kuya Joel. Susugurin ko si Kuya Joel ngayon. Kuya Joel. 15 tamsak ako, Kuya Joel. Deco Dream. Muy bien po. Salamat. Ikaw, Kuya Joel, alagad. Wow. Kuya Joel, mapapasabak ka niyan. Ikaw bahala dyan, Kuya Joel. Kuya Joel. Sagutin mo daw yan, Hindi ko alam yan, Kuya Joel. Napasabak ka na dyan. Alright, guys, after Billy's TV, let's also support Decor Dream Mix Vlog. Decor Dream Mix Vlog is a very nice friend from Pakistan. Decor Dream. Yes, my friend Decor Dream is also very supportive. Supportive po yan, mga kababayan, si Decor Dream. Pag nag-connect kayo dyan at nag-connect din sa'yo, pupunta yan sa inyong live stream. Hanggang magdamag yan. Si Decor Dream, di ba? Decor Dream? Decor Dream, my friend. Kuya Joel, nandyan ako, most bien. Buenas umaga mula sa Chicago, Brad. Ay, wow! Huwag garod, narigat yagtok. Narigat yagtok ako. Agkakalingatan tayo ti taon. For the sa ngalan ng watch hour, kailangan tayong magtrabaho. O, kanti na lang, isang kidag na lang, mga 3,000 na tayo. Thank you so much. Decor Dream, I pinned your... Is that the latest video, Decor Dream? Muchas gracias, Miss Filipinas, amigos y amigas from Latin American Official. All right. Kuya Joel, where are you? Kuya Joel. Hindi ko na alam ang kasunod doon, Kuya Joel. Pareski naman.
Victory. Adin big.
Kanjam Cooks, Deco Dream, let's link. Oh, Deco Dream. Kanjam Cooks is on the way to your channel, Deco Dream. Deco Dream, please connect back with Kanjam Cooks. Kanjam Cooks, this is my long time friend, Deco Dream. Don't you worry, Deco Dream is very supportive also. When he connects to you, my friend Deco Dream, he will go to your live stream whenever you are on live streaming. Latin American, let's link. All right, Latin Americano, Latin American official. I want you to meet my friend Kanjam Cooks. Kanjam Cooks, right? Kanjam Cooks, you're from Canada. Dazzle Vlog, hello guys. Madaming like. All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much sa 11 thumbs up. Thank you so much sa 11 thumbs up. All right. Hello guys, madaming like from Dazzle Vlog. Hi Dazzle Vlog. Puntahan nga natin si si Dazzle Vlog. Dazzle Vlog, I want you to meet my friend here, Latin American official, Super Tinang, Kuya Joel Vlog. Yes, Kanjam Cooks and Decor Dream Mix Vlog. They are all good friends of mine. Greetings to Canada from Latin American Official. Kanjam Cooks, greetings to you from Latin American. All right, Kanjam Cooks. Hello from Decor Dream Mix Vlog. Guys, please connect to Decor Dream Mix Vlog so I can also pin your link after Decor Dream Mix Vlog. Thank you so much. Thank you so much all of you. Good evening, good evening. And I wish a very good and happy evening to all of you there. In the Philippines, it's good evening. In America, it's afternoon, I think. Latin America, what time is it there? Latin American official, my friend. What time is it there? Salamat po. Well, kay Dazzle Vlog, very supportive yan si Decor Dream. Baka naman, don't worry, very short lang yung mga videos niya. Baka naman pwede kang mag-connect sa kanya. Yan, si Decor Dream. Naghahanap ng bananas lagi yan si Decor Dream. Hello, adagtuyan ni kabsat ko nga Liza Babes. Ilocano man lang ni Liza Babes channel. Hello, alo, nang bigating YouTuber si Leomar TV. Hello, Leomar TV. Good evening. Good evening. Kamusta kabsat? Liza Babes. Latin American official, I want you to meet my friend. This is a big time YouTuber, Leomar TV official. Very good friend also of mine. And also Liza Babes channel. I want you to meet my new friend here, Latin American official. He is from Chicago. Alas 6:34, 6:34 here. Umaga amiga host. Ay wow. 6:34 in the morning there in Chicago. All right. Greetings from the Philippines to Chicago to Latin American official. Thank you so much. Latin American official, I want you to meet my friends, Liza Babes channel. Liza Babes channel is from Greece. And my friend also, Leomar TV official. She is very supportive friend of mine. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat pare. On the way, Kuya Joel Alagad. Uy, Kuya Joel, papunta na dyan si our friend Latin American from Chicago. From Chicago to the Philippines. On the way. Ayan. Sasakayan ng airplane. Deco Dream Mix Vlog. Liza Babes. Hello. From Deco Dream Mix Vlog. Deco Dream. Very supportive si Liza Babes, my friend. Deco Dream. She is a Filipino also. And working in and living in Greece. Dazzle Vlog. Where are you from? Dazzle Vlog. These are my friends, Dazzle Vlog. Pag hindi ka pa po nakakonect kay Leomar TV and Liza Babes channel, Dazzle Vlog, very supportive mga yan. Ayan sila Magbabakas lang po kayo sa kanila, kay Liza Babes and Leomar. Sigurado yan, babalikan kayo at pag nagla-live kayo, andyan lang sila may tamsak ka na agad sa kanila. Thank you so much. Mega love. Shout out everyone. Good evening from Leomar TV official. Thank you so much. Hello everyone from Liza Babes channel. Nice to meet all your kaibigans, amiga host. Wow, mga kaibigan ko to mga to, Latin America. Yung place, a pleasure to meet. Wow. Your pleasure to meet my friends, Liza Babes channel from Greece and Leomar TV official. They are all very good friends. Dazzle Vlog, Leomar TV. Okay, all right. Hello. Very supportive sila. Deco Dream, where are you, my friend? Deco Dream, these are my friends. Deco Dream. Yoo-hoo! Deco Dream is from Pakistan, my friends, pero very good siya. Hindi siya nangaasar. Very good yan si Deco Dream, laging supportive. Magandang gabi there, amiga host. Magandang umaga din dyan. Latin America, umaga, morning. Yes, umaga. Welcome kabsat na Liza Babes. Muchas gracias Latin America. Muchas gracias Latin America. Thank you so much Kuya Joel at nandyan ka. Sumasalo sa napasubo yata agad dito Kuya Joel. Hindi ako you're from India. I'm sorry. You're from Mumbai, India. Alright, my friend Deco Dream Mix Vlog here is from Mumbai, India. Alright, sorry. I'm sorry Deco Dream. You're from Mumbai, India. Iba pala yung Pakistan na friend ko. My friend Deco Dream is from Mumbai, India. My friend, please, baka naman sa link niya, pa-watch naman konti sa link ni my friend Deco Dream. Walang anuman, Hermano at Kuya Joel Alagad. Wow, from Latin American official in Chicago. Kesahe Decor. Ay wow, ang galing-galing talaga ni Kuya Joel. Buti nandiyan ka, Kuya. Palit na lang tayo ng live. Kuya Joel, palit na lang tayo ng live. Andyan ako. Sa live mo to, sasagot sa mga sa mga Kanjam Cooks. Liza Babe, subscribe. Alright, Liza Babe, nakasubscribe na daw si new friend ko ito. Kanjam Cooks from Canada. Alright. Don't worry, Kanjam Cooks. My very good friend here, Liza Babes channel, will connect back to you. Alright. Thank you so much, all of you there. My 4 amazing friends, my 4 amazing visitors who are staying with me now. May I wish to God that you will be blessed more. Hello, Crafts and Embroidery. Hello, Crafts. Do you have a new craft embroidery right now? You drop the link, my friend, Crafts. Acha Decor. All right, Decor. You respond. You respond to Kuya Joel. Naku, Kuya Joel, ang salamat. From Dazzle Vlog, Liza Babes channel, hi sis. Alright, Kuya Connect. Kuya Connect. Alright, Kanjam Cooks, Kuya Alagad, Kuya Joel Alagad. My friend Kanjam Cooks has already connected to you. Kuya Joel Alagad. Please connect back to Kanjam Cooks. Liza Babes, please. Oh, don't worry. Deco Dream Liza Babes is very supportive. She will connect back to you. 8, anong oras na ba? Alright, 8:45 po ang premiere ni Super Tinang, my friends. Alright, time now to play your videos, my friends. Because I'm tired, ngaw. Nagkaka-tired naman mag-ngaw. Mag-play na lang ako ng video nyo. Ayan. Alright, let's start with... I will start playing your video now, my friends. Lesser ngaw. Si ano pala? Assalamualaikum Allah. Assalamualaikum Allah. Assalamualaikum Allah. From Crafts and Embroidery. Konjam Cooks, Dikit Dan from Liza Babes. Median Problema, Latin America from Kuya Joel. Thank you so much, Kuya Joel. You're my rescue today. Thank you so much. Airing live. Naka-live ka na pala, my friend. Airing live, please. Huwag kang gala-gala na ng iyong channel. Airing live. Baka mamukbang ang inyong pinaghirapan. Pupunta ako sa channel mo, Airing live, using my alagad. Thank you so much to my 10 amazing friends here. Crafts, subscribe. Alright. Crafts, my friend Crafts. Kanjam Cooks has already subscribed to you, my friend. Please watching my video. Alright. Drop a link, Crafts. You please drop a link. Thank you so much, Leia Mar TV. Salamat, Sisi, sa pagdalo sa aking silent live stream. Kahit hindi ako nagsasalita, bawal pa kasi magwalwal. Ay, ganun pala. Alright, sis Leia Mar, don't you worry. I'm very supportive to you. But whenever na nakikita ka na nagla-live, basta nakikita ka, automatic na yun, kabsat. Video commands. Still presente, amiga host, ayuda. Ay, all right, I will give you ayuda. Latin America. You're my one of the first visitor tonight. I'm in your channel now, Latin American official, plus one thumbs up and a sub from me. I'm watching your video now. Here, fire dancers. Ay, wow, fire dancers. The fire performance. Siargao Beach. Ah, you went to Siargao Beach. It's very nice there, my friend. Alright, Latin America playing plus one sub from the host. Your fire dancers performance at Siargao Beach Club, Philippines. Alright, you went to the Philippines already pala. Siargao Island, yes. Siargao Island, they said is very beautiful. But I haven't been there yet in Siargao because Siargao is very far from me, from my place. I need to ride on a plane first before bago ako makarating doon. Deco Jim, done full support from Liza Babes. Alright, Deco Jim, nakakailan ka na? Nakakailan ka na, Deco Jim? Like my very good friend here, Liza Babes, has already connected to you. Oh, amiga host was there in Siargao Island 2 weeks ago na. Ay, wow. You went there 2 weeks ago already. Good thing you did not, it was not typhoon, time of typhoon when you get to Siargao Island. Siargao Island is very good, is very nice place for surfing. All right. Okay. Next video of my friend Latin America. The video of Latin America Fire has already started playing. Alright, next is Dazzle Vlog. Alright, thank you so much, Dazzle Vlog. I'm in your channel now, Dazzle Vlog. I'm in your channel now, Dazzle Vlog, my friend. May I read your information? Dazzle Vlog, my friend, has 1.17 subscribers at the moment and 24 amazing videos. Alright, Dazzle Vlog, playing your video here.
Plavo Saudi.
Craft your next craft. Dazzle Vlog plus one new sub from the host. Dazzle Vlog playing your video plus new sub from the host. Thank you so much. Alright. Salamat po, on the way. My sister, hi Melita Madayag is my sister, Latin America. She is my support system. One of my support system is hi Melita Madayag. You don't need to go for supply. Alright. I will leave a comment in your video, my friend, Latin America. Plus 1 new sub from the host. Alright. 1 banana from me, 8 like done to your fire. Still watching, my friend. I'm half through done. Halfway done already. Next is crops. Dazzle Dog, thanks friends. Alright, Dazzle Blog, if you want to increase your bananas, your subscription, you can connect with them, my Dazzle Blog friend. Hi, I have a new friend. I have a friend here. Preview Net. Good evening, Preview Net. Thank you so much. Latin American official, I want you to meet my old friend here, Preview Net. Very supportive also, Preview Net. Very supportive Filipino friend, Preview Net. Preview Net, I want you to meet my new friend here, Latin American official from Chicago. You can connect with each other, guys, to grow your channel and to grow our channel together. Let's connect with each other. Alright. Nag-go off ang isang laptop. Sorry. Crabs, are you still there? Kanjam Cooks, are you still there, my friend? I'm in your channel now. Kanjam Cooks. Kanjam Cooks has a baby channel. Oy. What's happening to my camera? My son, you stay away from my camera, my son, because my camera is, Kanjam Cooks has 377 subscribers and 83 amazing videos. Our friend here. Mega love shout out po sa lahat ng viewers from Preview Net. Preview Net, I have new friend here, Latin America. Please do connect with each other, guys. Liza Babes, join Dan. Alright. Deco Dream, Liza Babe has already connected to you a while ago, my friend. Dazzle Blog, I want you to meet my friend Preview Net. She is also very supportive, Dazzle Blog. If you can connect to her and she will connect back to you. Dazzle Blog, thank you so much. It's about to finish, my friend Latin America. Don't you worry, I will play another video for you. Latin America. I will select longer videos after this. Thanks from Dazzle Vlog. Alright. Easy Beef Ribs. is playing for Kanjam Cooks plus 1 new sub from the host. Alright, Mr. Kanjam Cooks, I'm playing your video now by my mister and a new sub from me. Alright, Crafts and Embroidery, hello from Deco Dream Mix Vlog. My friend Deco Dream Mix Vlog is from Bombay, India. Alright, Dazzle Vlog, are you connected with Deco Dream already? Deco Dream, our friend here, PreviewNet is here. Let's welcome PreviewNet. Dazzle Vlog, Chi Dai Dala. Playing for you, Dazzle Vlog. About to end. Alright, Dazzle Vlog. Your video there, Chi, is about to finish. And a new sub from the host for you. Thank you so much. Dazzle Vlog, please join. Alright, you can connect with each other, Deco Dream and Dazzle Vlog. Thank you. Hello, I have a friend here also, Kuya Ador Mix Vlog. Kuya Ador Mix Vlog, marami tayong bago dito, Kuya Ador. Kuya Ador Mix Vlog, marami tayong bago ngayon. Marami tayong bagong friends from all over the country and all out of the country also. Si PreviewNet, nakakonect ka na ba sa kanya? Kuya Ador, friends na ba kayo? Ni Deco Dream, ni Latin American Official, is from Chicago. Si Super Tinang 88 Vlogs, very supportive na Super Tinang. Si Leia Mar TV and Liza Babes Channel. Ayan, mga friends ko yan. Aside kay Deco Dream Mix Vlog and Crafts and Embroidery. Alright, thank you so much. Bye-bye muna, Nay. Alright, bye-bye, Nazel Vlog. Thank you, thank you. Your video is about to finish. And when you come back, I will play another video for you. Longer one, Dazzle Vlog. Thank you so much. Mega love shout out to all from Kuya Ador Mix Vlog. Thank you so much, Kuya Ador, for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Alright, tapos na. Si Latin America. Hindi pa yata ito monetize, si Latin America. Sino pa hindi ko na-play? Ito na lang. PreviewNet, are you still there? I'm on the way to your channel, and after your channel is Kuya Ador Mix Vlog. 15 thumbs up dito from Kuya Ador. Thank you so much, Kuya Ador. Thank you so much, Kuya Ador. PreviewNet, are you still there? One banana for you, PreviewNet. My one channel is not yet connected to you, then I will connect, my friend PreviewNet. Alright. PreviewNet, I'm playing your latest upload 1 day ago. Hoyoverse. Playing and a new
Hello
song.
guys. You must like.
Please, kunam
Please like and subscribe.
Ulo din naman play ta data ni Kuya Ador. Dapat data.
Wait. How did
Alright,
I-
how you verse?
How did
Your videos playing 12 minutes video. Preview net. Preview net. Next is Kuya Ador. Kuya Ador, I'm in your channel now, my friend. Kuya Ador Mix Vlog. Saan ka naman nagpunta ngayon, Kuya Ador? Na-watch ko na to, Kuya Ador, yung isa. May bagong upload yata si Kuya Ador. Decor Dream, Decor Dream. Thank you so much, Decor Dream. You're next again, my friend. Thank you so much for staying with me. Liba, Batangas to Makati City. Kuya Ador. You're welcome, Preview Net. Don't you worry. Your video is playing. Alright. You can also connect with each other, guys. So your channel is growing so fast. Alright, Preview Net. Hoyoverse is playing, my friend. Preview Net. Dazzle Vlog is about to finish. The video is about to finish, my friend. Naku-close yung isang laptop, sayang. Hi, Latin America. Your video is done, my friend. And I'm gonna play another video and another new sub from me. Second sub. This one, my friend. Latin America. Deco Jim, are you connected with our friend Latin America? Nakasab na ba pala ito? Itong isa. Much appreciated. You're always welcome to my channel, Latin America. Alright. Another channel will be connected to you, my friend Latin. And a new, what's this? I will select longer video. You don't have... okay, this one, longer video, Puerto Rican. A longer one for Latin America, my friend. Preview Net, don't you worry, my friend. I will finish your video. Alright. Puerto Rican weekend is playing for my friend Latin. Hoyoverse still playing. Hoyoverse. Thank you so much. Alright, thank you so much all of you there, my friends. I have 2 million viewers in my channel now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my friends. Thank you so much. Don't you worry, your videos are playing by my support system. Thank you so much. Dalani vlog. Alright, finished Dazzle vlog. And the Easy Ribs for Kanjam Cook still playing. And Puerto Rican Weekend. And also my Deco Dream here is waving. Alright, I want, I will not forget you, my friend. Sarang Mix TV. Andito ba ako kay Sarang Mix TV? Ay, si ano pala ito? Si Airing Mix. Airing Life. Deco Dream, I'm in your channel now, Deco Dream. I will select a very good, a long video for you. Alright, this one, skin whitening. Wow, you have a new upload. Skin whitening. Alright. At present, Deco Dream, your skin whitening video has 51 views and 17 likes. It was uploaded 21 hours ago. It's playing by my support system. Alright. Salamat po on the way. Much appreciated, Mister. From my friend Latin. Thank you so much, Latin. Hoyoverse, still playing. Naka 10% na ako sa video mo, my friend. Don't you worry. Matatapos din yan. Thank you so much. My 6 million viewers. Thank you so much. Thank you, friend Jami. Alright, Deco Dream, my Indian friend. Thank you so much, Indian friend. Are you connected with Latin American official already? Did you connect to Latin American official already, my friend Deco Dream? He is nice friend. He is new to my channel, but I can see that he is a kind and good friend. So we can support Latin American official, my friends. Hoyoverse, still playing. You're welcome, Deco Dream. Deco Dream is always present in my live stream. Much appreciated, Deco Dream Mix Vlog. You're always present in my live stream. Thank you so much. Ipamit adita, init niyo. Thank you so much. Masyadong Pewan ti makanita. Give me man a biscuit. Give me biscuit. Nagtitingig mo, Becky. Alright. Hoyoverse for preview net. Preview net, 1 banana from me. Preview net. 1 new sub from the host. Thank you so much, my son. My son gave me biscuit. Because when yung ngaw dito, gugutumin ka. Mangtod ka man ti plato. Nice, di ba sila?
Alden na.
Ala, basta kayo alak na kita kayo.
Alden. Wala.
Preview net, Hoyoverse. Still playing and already siguro 30% na ito. 30% done. Latin America done. Hello, my friend Latin American official. My friend Deco Dream Mix vlog has already connected to you. Thank you so much.
Buo.
May biscuit is cracked. Wag dyan. Tapos na, Mr. Vlog. Ay, wow! Thank you so much, my friend Latin American. Latin American, my friend Deco Dream Mix Vlog has connected to you. Deco Dream Mix Vlog, don't forget to leave a comment in the video of Latin American official. Thank you so much. Friends, let's eat. Let's eat biscuit. I have a snack here, biscuit from my son. New banana for you, preview net. Babakasan ko na preview net. Baka mamaya tumalon. Bali 24 tamsa. Alright, thank you so much. Nakabakas na ako sa nakabakas na po ako sa iyong channel, sa iyong video, preview net. I have I already leave a comment to your video, preview net. Thank you so much. Puerto Rican weekend still playing. Puerto Rican weekend for Latin America. Wow, the place is very nice. Latin America, it seems that you have it seems that you know lots Tagalog words. Latin. I'm sorry. Because the dog outside is, barking. It's very noisy outside. I'm sorry, my Latin America, I don't know the word gamay. I'm so sorry, I don't know the word gamay. I supposed to ask my husband because he has lots of local dialect, because he knows some local dialects. But for me, I don't know the word gamay. You are more good than me in other dialects, you know. Gamay means a little. Ah, okay. I I learned something from you, my friend Latin. Gamay means little. All right. Thank you so much for that word, gamay. In Tagalog, maliit. You know, maliit. I traveled in Mindanao as well. Ay, wow. I haven't been there in Mindanao, my friend. My place is in northern part of Luzon. We are in Luzon. In Luzon, our local dialects here is Ilocano. Alright, Ilocano. Maliit. Maliit is gamay. Alright, preview net. Don't you worry. 90% already done to your video. Thank you so much. Don't you worry, my Latin American friend. I will play another one when I finish. I still have three bananas to be connected to you. After those my son there will go to bed, I will get all their gadget and I will use. If you like nature, try to visit Bukidnon. Yes, Bukidnon. My husband went to Bukidnon many years back because he is a surveyor, you know, land surveying. He went there and he said the place is indeed very nice. There are adventure there. There are lots of tourist spots there in Bukidnon. From the mountainous part and the beaches. The beach. Wow, the hidden waterfalls there. Yes. Spring water. All right. Thank you so much, Latin America from Decor Dream. HLTV, I will give you moderator. Welcome to my live stream. Welcome to Abra, part of Cordillera Administrative Region in the Philippines. I will give you a jacket, my friend, HLTV. Alright, HLTV, you already have a moderator, my friend, HLTV. Hello po ma'am, magandang gabi sa iyo. Magandang gabi din sa iyo, HLTV. I want you to meet my friend here, Latin American official, HLTV. I want you to meet my friend, Latin American official. He is new to my channel, but he is very good, very kind. He is from Chicago. Please connect to my friend, Latin American official, and in return, Latin American official will connect to you, HLTV. Thank you so much. Salamat po, ma'am. Wag nang po, ma'am. Ako ay isang Mrs. Sabi mo na lang, Jamie. Wag nang, ma'am. Hindi po ako teacher. Sorry. Salamat po. Alright, HLTV. Very good friend yan si Latin American. Master Chef time, amiga, need to cook breakfast. Yes, you need to. Do not skip your breakfast, my friend Latin American. Yes. Maraming salamat para sa... don't you... My pleasure, amigo. Always ingat. Ay, wow. Take care always too, amigo. God bless na. Alright. May God bless you also, my friend, amigo. God bless you, and have a very great day ahead today, my friend, Latin American official. Ciao sa lahat. Take care, everyone, from Latin American official. Thank you, my friend. God bless you, and take care. Danny72, Polinar Vlog, silent viewers. Danny72. Alright, I will give you a moderator, my friend, Danny. Wow, preview net. Wow, natapos ko na tong isang video mo. Magpe-play ako ulit, ha. Nagbakas na ako sa'yo, preview net. since ikaw ang nandyan ngayon, ay wow, Craps! You're back, my friend Craps. Ito, napanood ko na yata. Cat Lovers. Try natin kung napanood na nito ni sister ko. Ay, hindi pa. Alright, Cat Lovers is playing for Freeview Net. Playing for Freeview Net. Alright, Freeview Net. Playing. 12 minutes video for Freeview Net. 16 thumbs up. Wow, I have 16 thumbs up already. Thank you so much. Danny 72 Pulinar Vlog. Alright, puntahan kita ngayon. Danny 72 Pulinar Vlog. Freeview Net. Hello, Freeview Net. Ayan, welcome natin si Danny 72 Pulinar Vlog. Welcome to my live stream, Danny 72. Hello, Decor Dream, where are you, my friend? We have a new friend here, Danny 72 Pulinar Vlog. Let's welcome Danny 72. Hello, Craps. Thank you so much for coming back, Craps. Puntahan kita. Puntahan kita. Danny 72. Crafts and embroidery. Let's welcome our new friend here, Danny 72. Thanks you very much, host. You're always welcome. Crafts, Sir Danny 72. Si Crafts and embroidery is a very good friend of mine. He is a long time friend already. Kanjam Cooks, hi, Danny 72, subscribe to you. Ayan, nakapag-subscribe na ni Kanjam Cooks from Canada, Kuya Danny. Please connect back to Kanjam Goods. Alright, we will pin the video of Kuya Danny. Kuya Danny, Kanjam Goods has already connected to you. Please connect back, Kuya Danny 72. Thank you so much. Nakakonect na daw sa'yo. Isang paggalang lang po yung ma'am kasi sa amin. Ganun po ba? Alright, sir. Thank you so much, sir Edgel, sa pagdalaw mo sa akin. Alright, don't you worry. Pagpe-play ko yung mga video nyo, mga friends, isa-isa lang. Isa-isa lang muna. Deco Dream, don't you worry, I will finish your video, alright? Deco Dream. Kanjam Cooks, the ribs. Easy ribs, still playing, 10% done. Deco Dream also, playing your video here, skin whitening. And also Preview Net, my Cat Lovers. HLTV, pupuntahan kita, HLTV. Don't you worry, my friend, HLTV. Pupuntahan kita talaga. HLTV, pupuntahan kita. Dito na ako sa channel mo. HLTV has 11 subscribers and 22 videos. Amazing videos, guys. Let's also welcome and support HLTV. HLTV, if you want to grow your channel, please connect to our friends here. Kanjam Cooks, Danny 72 Pulinar Vlog, Decor Dream Mix Vlog. Who else are there? Crafts and Embroidery. Who else are there? Etong si kanina, Latin American Official, very supportive din yan. Please connect back to them, then they will connect back to you also. All right, on the way, Idol Crafts. My friend Danny72 Polinar vlog is on the way to your channel, my friend Krabs. Thank you so much, Kuya Danny72. HLTV join Dan. Alright, o tignan mo si Decor Dream Mix Vlogs, very supportive to you, my friend HLTV. HLTV, please connect back to Decor Dream so that all of you guys, all of us, our channel will grow. Alright. On the way, Idol Crafts and Embroidery. Alright, meron ba ka short video? Thank you so much, Daniel72 Polinar Vlog. Guys, I just a gentle reminder, guys, very gentle reminder that just don't forget to leave a comment to the videos because it is easier for them to connect back. Alright? They will use your comment to connect you back. That's like a bridge. Alright. They will connect you back when they see your comment. Thank you so much again. Thank you so much. Alright. HLTV, where are you? I'm in your channel now. I have one banana for you from the host, HLTV. January 26, 2024 is playing HLTV. And a banana for you from the host. HLTV. On the way, Idol Crafts and Embroidery. Mayroong bakas sa short videos. Alright, thank you so much. Danny72 Polinar Vlog. Crafts? My friend Crafts, hello. Danny72 Polinar Vlog has already connected to you via your short video. He said he left a comment in your short video, my friend Crafts. Thank you so much. Decor Dream. Danny72 Polinar Vlog is on the way to your channel, Decor Dream. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the heart. Claps, heart also to you. Thank you so much, all of you guys who are here, very supportive. I will just put this on mute because the background is noisy. Your friend watching. Alright, thank you so much, Crafts. After this, I will again go to your channel. This is HLTV. Alright, HLTV. Thumbs up then and a new banana from the host. Alright. Done. HLTV, are you still there, my friend? Alright. Easy Beeps Ribs. 30% done to your video and still playing. Tell me, friend, your friend watching my video. Alright, Danny72 has already watched your video, my friend, Crafts. Drop a link, Crabs, the one that you want to be watched. Drop a link video of yours. They will watch. Alright? Idol, Master Madayag, vlog, mayroong baka sa short. Oh, don't you worry. Danny 72. Mister is already on your video. I will just read the information of Danny 72 Polinar vlog. Sir Danny 72 Polinar vlog has 1.17 thousand subscribers. Wow, ang laki na ng bahay ni Danny 72. At saka meron siyang 195 amazing videos. Alright. Raps, where is the link? Raps, my friend. Just drop the link, my friend. Drop. The one that you want to be played. Alright, palakas sa bakan. Alright, palakas sa bakan. Ayan. Naririnig mo ba yun, kuya? Kuya Danny, playing your video na, Kuya Danny, plus 1 banana from me. Hi, Sun Kids Channel. I have a new friend here. Sun Kids Channel. Hello, I will give you a moderator, my friend. Sun Kids Channel, welcome to my live stream. Sun Kids Channel. Good evening to you, Sun Kids Channel. Magandang gabi. Thank you, Danny. All right, you're welcome. Review next. Still playing your video. Kanjam Goods, are you still there? Kanjam Cooks, I one subscription for you.
Huwag aalis. Yan ka lang kayo. Ha? Yan.
Preview net, my friend. Your cat lovers for preview net. Alright, nakakalahati na ako. Ate.
Tingnan niyo guys.
Cat lovers. Alright, Deco Dream. Done to your skin whitening, my friend. And then we'll play another one later.
Madalas kinaw. Ayaw na siyang umalis. Hindi na siyang...
Cat lovers for preview net. Sun Kids Channel, thank you, Danny, my friend. Alright, from Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. Sun Kids, I'm also Indian. Alright, Sun Kids, you're from Mumbai also. Sun Kids Channel. Please connect to each other, everyone, my friends. Sun Kids channel, on the way to your channel, my friend, Sun Kids. +1 banana from the host, Sun Kids. Hyderabad. Ah, you're from Hyderabad. Decor Dream is from Bombay.
May isang lugar na nahahati ng bundok at dagat. May mga taong matagal nang nakikipagsapalaran sa ilalim ng mundong maalat. Kung sa ibabaw ng lupa, dugo at pawis ang puhunan upang tira ay kitain. Sa lugar na ito, hininga ang buhay at bawat linggo.
Sino to? Umaga.
Ya, bobat.
Anak.
One new sub from me, Danny.
Ya, bobat.
Hawag. Anak mo.
Saan join dan? San, one banana for you from me.
Laki-laki. Yan anak guys, oh. Salawat lagay. Yung pamangkin daw.
Sun Kids. Sun Kids. Sun Kids.
Dalawa, tatlo, apat.
Just please upload longer video, my friend. I suggest longer video for you, Sun Kids.
Diyan ka lang kayo. Yan.
Mega love shoutout Kuya Joel Alagad from Danny72 Polinar Vlog. Sir Danny, ang main channel ni Kuya Joel ay Kuya Joel Vlog. Kuya Joel Alagad, please connect back to Danny72 Polinar Vlog. Thank you so much, Kuya Joel.
Yan na yung isa. Maras. Kinikilaw ah.
I will my live on mute. Crabs, I will go to your channel, Crab. Crab, I will select your video. Alright, you have new upload, Crab.
Malalaki na.
Playing.
Ayaw daw siya umalis.
I already watched this one. Maybe this one.
So, walang tubig. Wala.
I already watched the August 23 craft. I selected another video, longer one.
So, malalaki.
Still playing po yung Cat Love. Ay, wow! 39 tamsak na ako. Fully watch na yung preview net, my friend. 40th tamsak from the host.
Pastor Adebax. Pas. Basket.
Magsiselect uli ako craft ng preview net. Magsiselect ako ulit. Ayun na naman ang aso ko. Sandali lang. Hello, Miss Chari Diary. Hello po, Miss Jamie. Hello, magandang gabi. Miss Chari D Diary. Thank you so much. Another one, my video. All right, playing your video June 6. Longer one, my friend Crabs. Crabs, my friend, I want you to meet my friend here, Charity Diary. Charity Diary is very kind, a Filipino friend also, and a good friend, Charity Diary. Please connect to her, guys, my friends, to Charity Diary. Fresh na fresh si host. Bagong ligo. Thank you so much, Miss Chari. Deco Dream, my friend, you're back. I'm done with your skin whitening, my friend, Deco Dream. Deco Dream, I have a new friend here, Charity. I have a good friend here, Charity Diary. Please connect back. Please connect to Charity Diary, the one I pinned there, Deco Dream. She is also very supportive. When you go to her live, she will give you bananas, watch hour, ayuda, like that. Danny 72, Polinar Vlog. Ayan, very supportive si Ma'am Chari. Kuya Danny, connect nyo po siya. Pag nakapunta po kayo sa live niya, magbibigay yan ng banana. Monetize channel na si Ma'am Chari. Hindi kagaya ko na limited lang na may bibigay ko. Ayan, Danny, yuhuu! From Cherry Diary, already done. From Deco Dream. Deco Dream, did you leave a comment to Ma'am Charity Diary video, my friend? Just leave a comment to her video and she will connect back. Alright, yes po, banana, and then play all sa video nyo po habang live. Alright, ganyan po si Ma'am Chari. Deco Dream, have you read that? Ma'am Chari D, when you connect to her and go to her live, she will give you lots of bananas and watch hour. Alright. Deco Dream, leave a comment. Now na, Deco Dream. Hello, Ma'am Chari, si Deco Dream, very supportive yan from Mumbai, India. Alright, Deco Dream. I already, memorized your location, Mumbai. Alright. Yes, Charity Diary has a banana plantation. She will give you magbe-waybill yan. Watch hour lang po, host. Alright, Kuya Danny, connect nyo yan si Ma'am Chari D Diary. Anong oras ba ang usually nagla-live ka, Ma'am Chari? Ako kasi gabi. Puntahan nyo yan, Kuya Danny, si Ma'am Chari. Maraming banana yan. Diba, Decor Dream? She will, ano bang tawag doon na LBC ba? May LBC ba sa inyo, Decor Dream? Is there an LBC? What logistic do you have there? So, Charity Diary will send you lots of bananas. Oh, Danny, play ko video mo. Alright, tingnan mo, very supportive yan. Dating dikit na pala si Ma'am Chari. Oh, di ba? Danny 72, very supportive si ma'am. Preview net! Ayan, si ma'am Charity Diary. Si ma'am Charity, preview net. Please connect kasi very supportive yan. May banana plantation yan si ma'am. Alright. Tsaka unlimited watch hour yan. Ibibigay niya sa'yo pagka na-tsempuhan mong mag-live siya. Ay, puro na connected sila. Ay, friends mo na pala silang lahat. Kanina ma'am, bago. Hindi mo pa friend si Latin America. Friend na po kami. Ay, friend na pala kayong lahat. Ayan si ma'am. Thank you so much. Will lang po your video lalo ang hindi pa money. Opo, hindi pa kami money lahat. Ay, ako hindi pa money. Ikaw ba, preview net money ka na ba? Preview net? Ako hindi pa. 2.8 pa lang yung watch hour ko. Sana lumundag na. Ayan. Preview net. Ito, another video my friend. Preview net. Natapos ko na si Puting-Puting. Third video, my friend. Preview net. 10 minutes and 40 second video. Beautiful quotes. Alright. Guys, you sleep na. Guys, pinapatulog ko ng mga anak ko para makuha ko na ang kanilang gadget. Ayan, si Preview Net. Si Preview Net, akala ko dati galing Power Ranger si Preview Net. Hindi pala. Pilipino pala. Pilipino pala siya. Craps. Ay, lumundag yata si Craps. Playing pa rin yung video mo. Oo nga. Akala ko Power Ranger ka noon, Preview Net. Mega English pa naman ako ng baluktot eh. Nagulat ako nung nagtagalog ka. Dani, replaying na po sa iyong palaka. Ayan, Kuya Dani, nagplay daw po si Ma'am Chari sa'yo, Kuya Dani. Baka naman, i-playback mo rin siya. Wala na naman si Craps. Si Craps kasi pagka pumunta, andyan ka pa ba sa Craps? Pag bumalik ka, mag-uutos ka na naman na agpa-play sa'yo. Ito, piniplay na kita, Craps ha. Maski hindi ka nag-stay sa channel ko. Alright, okay lang hindi nag-stay sa channel basta magtamsak. Ganun talaga yun. Para maraming friends. Ayan, beautiful quotes. Hindi ko lang mabasa. Defeat is not the worst of failures. Not to have tried is the true failure. Do the one thing you think you cannot do. Fail at it. Try again. Do better the second time. Alright, from Oprah Whitney. I don't know the key to success, but the key to failure is trying to please everybody by Bill Cosby. Totoo. Remember, no one can make you feel inferior without your consent. From Eleanor Roosevelt. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. Zigzag law. Everyone who achieves success, keeping going regardless of the obstacles they met. Alright. By Clement. The preparation is what follows. The success is happen naturally. Alright. Totoo yun. Kuya Joel Alagad. Nagla-live si Kuya Joel ngayon. Pero very supportive sa akin. Nag-exchange kami ng alagad ni Kuya Joel. Salamat Kuya Joel sa pag-rescue mo sa akin kanina kay amigo Latin America ha, Kuya. Hindi ko kasi naintindihan yung sinasabi niya. Si Ribs, 50% done. Most welcome. Kuya, galing-galing mo nga eh. Pati nga si Indian, Si Decor Dream. Nandyan siguro sa'yo si Decor Dream. Tignan ko nga. Kasi tahimik siya. Ang palaka ni Danny72 is done playing. Sunod naman si Easy Beef. Sino naman yung nag-music? Beautiful coach playing. Marunong po kasi ako mag-Arabic, Spanish, Hindu language. Ay, wow! Kuya, bawa ko sa'yo, saludo ako sa'yo, kuya. Ang galing-galing naman. Aning name? Anong, Kuya Joel Vlog. Ma'am Chari, Kuya Joel Vlog. Nandyan, naka-live siya ngayon. Naka-live siya ngayon, ma'am. Naka-live siya, si Kuya Joel. Alright, bakasan ko naman yung plinay ko. Yung pinin ko. Si Ma'am Chari. Si Ma'am Chari. Ayan, upcoming premiere ni Ma'am Chari. Guys, please don't forget to tusok the one eye pin. Chari D, upcoming premiere in 3 days from now. Oh, ang ganda ng trailer. Ma'am Chari, 1 banana for you. Alright, may isa akong banana, Ma'am Chari. Hinog na to. Ayan, 21st tamsa. Notification bell on. Notification bell on. Diyos ko, andyan na yata ang bagyo, guys. Nagbabadya ang aking wifi. Nagbabadya. Wifi naman. Huwag mo muna akong takasan. Ma'am Chari, nakabakas na ako, ma'am. Alright. Thank you, Cherry. Alright, from Decor Dream. Thanks, Miss Jamie. Decor Dream, have you thumbs up? Have you liked the one I pinned there for Miss Cherry D? Ayan, nagpe-premiere na yata si Super Tinang. Puntahan ko lang saglit, guys. Don't worry, naka-play ang iyong video. Gamit ang aking Ninja. Madami kasi. Ilang subs, Kuya Joel? Ay, ito, yung may 5,000 plus. Ito, sandali, nandito ako sa kanyang premiere. Anong live? Ipipin ko na lang, ma'am, yung link. Ayan, si Kuya Joel. Ayan, si Kuya Joel, Ma'am Chari. Naka-live siya kasi. Ayan, nandyan na yung... drinap ko na yung link niya. Opo, ayan. 5.28 subscribers. Malaki ng bahay ni Kuya Joel.
No, the same. You will get a start and then if you're not powerful and there's no strength, you get so how yep maipi hindi ka lang gapman pastor
Nasa live na ako ni Kuya Joel, laptop kasi gamit niya, nakakagala. Opo, pati yung ako, dalawa yung tinatambayan kong live ngayon, kay Airing Live, tsaka si Kuya Joel. Mabait kasi sila, ma'am, si Kuya Joel, talagang supportive yan.
Ito duma?
Good. Mayat internet, kita nyo man di bagi ka Heinz no kwa.
May umukan niya?
No, deform man ti rupa kun. Kaya nasa awan no deform ti rupa. Nakwa. Nakapsot tinet.
aman ma
Deform na naman ang face ko. Di naman.
90
Heavy rain for warning number 9.
Oh, heavy rainfall daw warning. Beautiful quotes pa rin tayo. Sun Kids Channel, hi my friend Chari. Yes, Sun Kids Channel, please support Chari D. The one I pinned there. Chari D has an upcoming premiere in 3 days from now. She is very good friend, Sun Kids Channel. When you connect to Chari D, and please don't forget to click the bell button there, so that you can be notified every time she upload a new video and a live stream. She is very supportive, my friend, Sun Kids Channel. Charity, when you go to her live stream, Sun Kids, Charity will give you lots of bananas and watch hour. She is a monetized channel, my friend, Sun Kids. She will help you with your bananas. Sun Kids Channel is a new, right? New to YouTube. Sun Kids, you're new to YouTube, right, my friend? Alright, done to your 3 short Sun Kids channel from Charity Diary. Sun Kids, don't forget to connect back to Charity Sun Kids. She is very supportive when you go to her channel, and especially during live streaming of Charity, she will give lots of bananas. Traveling Colombo in Cavite. Shout out naman, Beshi. Shout out to Traveling Colombo in Cavite. Marinas, Cavite. This is my friend. Guys, I want you to meet my friend, Traveling Colombo. She is my long time friend in college. Diba? Traveling Colombo. Kaibigan ko po yan. Si Traveling Colombo. Traveling Colombo. O, ayan. Si Ma'am Charity Diary. Pwede mo siyang i-connect. Traveling Colombo. Si Ma'am Charity. Mabait yan. Monetized channel na si Ma'am Charity. Tsaka nagbibigay yan ng banana. May banana plantation yan. Tsaka watch hour unlimited pa. Very supportive yan. Oh, Traveling Colombo. Yahoo! Friend ko yan, Ma'am Chari, noong college, mag-classmate kami. Mag-classmate kami sa Lasal, Dasmariñas. Diyan ako nag-college. Yes, miss you. Alright, I miss you too, my friend. Ano, may forever ka na ba? Ako, nakatatlong anak na. Mamingwit ka na rin dyan. Okay po. Alright, Ma'am Chari D. Traveling Kulambo, connect ka kay Ma'am Chari. Ayan o, may pinin ako dyan. Upcoming premiere ni Ma'am Chari in 3 days. Traveling. I-connect mo yan. Tsaka tambay ka din sa channel niya. Pag nagla-live, nagbibigay ng ano siya. Nagbibigay ng bananas. Banana ang tawag namin sa sob. Kuya Joel Alagad, traveling, mega love shoutout. Ayan, traveling Kulambo, very supportive yan si Kuya Joel. Kuya Joel Vlog, ang kanyang main channel. May 5,200, 5.28,000 subscribers na si Kuya Joel. Kuya Joel, pinapakilala kita, pinapakilala ko si Traveling Kulambo, ang aking kaibigan noong college pa. Long time friend ko yan, si Traveling Kulambo. Ayan, si Traveling Kulambo, kaya Kulambo yan, kasi hindi nakakatulog yan kung walang Kulambo. Magkatabi kami, magkakwarto kami niyan noon sa bahay nila, kasi ako walang bahay sa Manila. Nakikibahay ako doon sa bahay nila. Mabait sila. Tapos, yan si Traveling Kulambo, pag hindi nakakatulog, pag walang kulambo sa paa. Diba? Baski nagta-travel yan, nagda-drive ng kotse niya, may nakapulupot na kulambo sa kanyang binte. Alright? Binuking na kita. Yes po, salamat Kuya Joel. Nasa video muna po ako, Traveling Kulambo. Oh, traveling. No, andyan ka pa ba? Mega love shout out dahil sa'yo, sabi ni Kuya Joel. Ayan, napaka-supportive ang mga malalaking YouTuber na ito. Salamat naman dyan. Shout out sa inyo Kuya Joel, Charity Diary na monetized channel na very supportive. Meron din akong friend, may kulambo din sa paa. Dala niya lagi small piece. Ay, ganyan din yan, mama. Ganyan din si Traveling Kulambo. Nalilito pa ako, ano ba dapat kong gawin? Saan? Saan ka nalilito? Ayan, wag kang malito. Click mo lang yan, no, si Ma'am Chari. Tapos, click mo yung like niya. Tapos, subscribe mo ng bell all para makapunta ka rin sa live niya, manotify ka. Traveling Kulambo, dandikit full pack. Alright, from Kuya Joel Alagad. Ayan, Badet. Nakakonect na yan si Kuya Joel sa'yo. Tignan mo, mabilis-bilis ni Kuya Joel. Naka-live pa yan, Kuya Badet. Ay, Ate Badet, punta ka sa kanyang live. HL TV, ma'am, pa-shoutout po sa lahat ng supporters. Hello! HL TV, shoutout. Ayan, si HL TV, guys. I-supportin natin. HL TV, ikaw na unang mag-connect sa kanila. Babakasan mo lang HL TV sa ang kanilang mga video. HL TV, don't forget magbakas ka sa kanilang video para babalikan ka. Ayan si Chari D, HL TV. May upcoming premiere si Ma'am Chari in 3 days from now. Pwede mo yan i-connect. Babalikan kay si Ma'am Chari. Bibigyan ka pa ng banana niyan. Kasi monetize na siya. Tsaka si Kuya Joel. Kuya Joel Vlog na may 5.28 subscribers na siya. 5.28,000 subscribers. HL TV, Yahoo! From Chari D. Wag muna dikitan po yan. Alagad lang po yan. Si Kuya Joel Vlogs. Yan. Sun Kids Channel, yay! I'm done. 100 to my channel, my friend. Yay! Good job to you, Sun Kids Channel. Sun Kids Channel, just don't forget to leave a comment in their video so they can connect you back. And connect them also with bell all, so Sun Kids Channel will be notified every time they will have a new upload, and every time they will go on live streaming, because they are very supportive. Sun Kids Channel, especially to Chari D and Kuya Joel Vlog, they will help you with your sub, and they will help you also with your watch hour. Hi Craps, you're back again, my friend Craps. Craps, my friend. All right, your June 6 June 2024 still playing, Craps. play spin my video. Yes, I'm playing your video, Krabs. Whether you went out, you went to somebody, I'm still playing your video, my friend. Thank you for the thumbs up, my friend Krabs. Much appreciated. Crafts and embroidery from Charity. Okay, my friend from Sun Kids. Yes. Crafts, I have new friend here. Actually, my friend in college. Crafts, I want you to meet Traveling Kulambu here. This is my long time friend in college way back 1996 to 2000. We were classmates in college 1996 to 2000. And after that we still connected. Yes, Traveling Kulambu. You know what Kulambu is? Crabs, do you know what Kulambu is? Pin my channel. You drop the link, my friend Crabs. I cannot pin. Just drop the link of your channel so they can connect. And please connect back to them. Charity, you can connect to Charity, the one I pin. Crafts, the one I pin there. She has a upcoming premiere in 3 days from now. Dan full pack Traveling Kulambu. Ayan. Ayan na. Nakakonect na ang big time YouTuber sa'yo. My friend, Traveling Kulambu. Ala, naka 2 hours na ako sa kakangaw-ngaw. Kaya pala nakakagutom. Beautiful coach, still playing. Ay, almost done. Preview net. Yan, ini-English ko na naman si Preview net. Matatapos na ang iyong video ha, my friend. Done full pack Traveling Kulambu. I'll give you banana crafts and embroidery. Just leave a comment, please. You leave a comment, crafts and embroidery. Charity is very good in supporting friends like me, like you. When you connect to her, when you connect to her, just connect via there in her upcoming premiere. You just like, click the notification bell all and subscribe so she can connect you back. Alright, Preview net, done with your video, my friend. Preview net, ay in English ko na naman. Tapos na ang iyong magandang video na quotes. Magbabakat ako ng maganda dito, Preview net.
I did the last one. Yung funny. I did the last one. I did the last one. I did the last one. What's that?
I will just check my battery. Alright, 27%, still 27%. Crafts still playing. I selected longer video for you, Crafts. 6 June 2024. Because I already watched your latest uploads. Traveling Kulambu, ididikit ko ang isang channel ko sa'yo. Ang dami kong channel.
You know the golden tip? Adi monster na. 50 times. Itu kaya mo. Adi golden medalya. It golden tip.
June 6 still playing, my friend Crafts. 75% preview net. Natapos ko ang iyong cat lovers. Mag-play uli ako ng isa pa. Puntahan ko lang muna preview net ha. Puntahan ko lang si Traveling Kulambo. Preview net. Ayan. Babalikan ko kayo later. Nasusunog na yung adobo ko. Watching from TV muna. Traveling preview net. Ayan, si friend kong si Traveling Kulambo. Mabait yan. Preview net. Kaibigan ko nung college. BG lang sis. At dito pa ako sa... Ay! Alam ma'am. Gabi na ma'am. Sige ma'am. Work ka muna dyan. O kaya may overtime ka ba ngayon? Sige lang po ma'am. Miss Chari, thank you so much ha. Don't you worry. Nakapin lang yan yung ano mo. Yung Chari D. Upcoming. Preview net. Ayan, si Traveling Kulambo. Ay, dikit ko siya. Alright, thank you so much, Traveling. Thank you so much, my friend. Preview net. Very supportive din si Preview net. Smiling Aspin. Ang ganda naman itong Smiling Aspin mo. Traveling Kulambo. +1 banana ka po sa akin. Let's go, Cebu. Alright, let's go, Cebu.
I did the last one.
Thank you sa 5 million viewers ko dyan. Thank you so much to my 5 million viewers. Very supportive na viewers natin dyan. Thank you so much. Don't you worry guys. I'm tatapusin ko yung mga videos nyo. Pink my link on this video. Pin my link. Where is your link, Raps? I cannot see your link. The one you dropped. Where is it? I cannot see your link, my friend Crabs. Please drop a link for your link. Drop a link for your link, my friend Crabs. I cannot see. Oh, I will back read. Oh, there is no link you drop. No link you drop. Please drop a link so I can pin. I can pin. I cannot see your drop, my friend Crabs. Don't you worry. Your 6 June 2024 here is playing. And Ma'am Charity Diary has already connected to you. She gives you banana. Just drop a link so we can promote your channel. Crabs. I cannot see any link you drop. Alright? Ano ba yun? Baden? Di ako marunong mag-English. To the rescue. Nawala na si Kuya Ador. Kuya Ador, nandyan ka pa ba? Play ko yung 33 minutes video mo, Kuya Ador. Kuya Ador Mix Vlog. Si Kuya Ador Mix Vlog ay taga Paranaque. Ano siya? Liaison officer ng isang law firm. Si Kuya Ador. Still playing. Nasa Cebu ako. Traveling Kulambo. I'm in your Cebu. Baby pa si Traveling Kulambo. Traveling Kulambo, pagka okay ka na, pag nag-live si Ma'am Chari, puntahan mo. May 230 subscriber pa lang po si aking kaibigan na si Traveling Kulambo. Pwede ka nang mag-live yata, Traveling Kulambo, pwede ka na yatang mag-live. Kasi may 230 ka na, 230 subscribers ka na.
Ito sa inyo. Kababi.
Bare months na. Sabi ni Traveling Kulambo. Kanjam Cooks. Hello, Kanjam Cooks. Crafts and embroidery, another video for you from to be played by my other support system. Crafts.
Hey!
You go out, Imol.
Little boy!
Crafts, Mr. is playing your video entitled 8 August 2024. Another video. So, 2 videos are playing for you from host. This is 5.20 minutes video uploaded 3 weeks ago with 93 views and 25 likes. Alright, 2 videos for you, Crafts. The other channel is playing the June 6. And this one is the August 8. Kanjam Cooks, still playing your ribs, easy beef ribs. Yes, I always do that, commenting on your video, my friend Crafts. Have you? But you did not heart. The one I think you did not react. Just react also to my comments, so your algorithm, your YouTube algorithm is, the analytics will also help you climbing. Climbing. Di ko alam paano sabihin yun. Will help you grow. Yes, I always do that, leaving comment every videos I watch. I always leave a comment on every videos I watch. Let's go Cebu, halfway done. Let's go Cebu. For Traveling Kulambo, kamusta na ang iyong adobo dyan? Traveling Kulambo. August 8, 2024 for my friend Crafts is still playing. Kanjam Cooks, thanks host, appreciate your support. Good evening. Miss Jamie, mega magalaw shoutout po. Wong Mo. Ay, Wong Lakrak. Hello, Wong Lakrak. I have old friend here. Charity, Wong Mo. You can connect to her and she'll get back to you. Ma'am Charity Diary, the one I pinned there. Wong Mo, the one I pinned there. Charity Diary, you can connect. She has an upcoming premiere. She is also very supportive. My friend Wong Mo. Wong Mo in the person of Wong Lakrak. Hello, Miss Jamie from Wong Mo. Hello, my friend Wong Mo Lakrak. so busy the whole day, Wong Mo. We went to the, we went to the farm to plant bamboo. It is a planting activity of our school. We went there to plant bamboo. It was actually drizzling that time when we plant in the morning. Wong Mo, I want you to meet my friend Crafts and Embroidery. Crafts, you're from Pakistan, right, Crafts? And Wong Mo is from Indonesia. Alright, guys, you can connect with each other, guys. Thank you so much. Easy Beef Ribs still playing. And it's almost done, my friend. Easy Beef Ribs for Kanjam Cooks. Thank you so much. Kanjam Cooks is from Canada. Thank you so much, my friends who are very supportive. Yes, Pakistan. All right, this is my friend in Pakistan. While Crafts and Embroidery is from Pakistan, while Decor Dream is from Mumbai, India, and also Sun Kids Channel is from India. Bye muna sis Chari. Ingat po sa pag-uwi, sis Chari. Mag-iingat, take care. And I pray also for your safe travel to your home. Thank you so much, Miss Chari. Bye. Kanjam Cooks, Chari. Did I subscribe? Alright, Kanjam Cooks, thank you so much. Just don't forget to leave in her video, Kanjam Cooks, so that Chari D diary can easily connect back to you. Malapit na 5:30 p.m. Uwian na kami. Ay, saan ka po ba, ma'am? Nasa 9:20 na ako ngayon. Mag-iingat ka po, Ma'am Charity. Take care always. Wong Mo, I want you to meet my friend here, Kanjam Cooks, Charity, and Crafts and Embroidery. They are very good friends. Ay, nasa ibang bansa ka pala, Ma'am Chari. O, sige, Ma'am Chari, mag-iingat ka po sa pag-uwi. Pinapanalangin ko po ang kaligtasan mo. Safe travel po pag-uwi mo sa iyong bahay, Ma'am Chari. Mag-iingat ka po. Kanjam Cooks, sorry for the word. Kanjam Cooks. Done with your video, my friend. Crafts, still playing your video here. August 8, I'm done with your August 6, Crafts. I'm done. Wong Mo, I will visit your channel, Wong Mo. Don't forget, don't worry, my friend. I'm in your channel. Wong Mo. Wong Lakrak. My friend Crafts, Wong Mo main channel is Wong Lakrak. Wong Lakrak. Wong Mo in your house now. Alright, Kanjam Cooks. Thank you so much. I will play another video for you, Kanjam Cooks. Don't worry. Wong Lakrak, I'm in your channel now, Wong Lakrak. Thanks, Miss Jamie. Always come to my lives. Alright, I will do whenever I am free, Wong Mo. I will go to your live stream. Kanjam Cooks, Yummy Beef Ribs. Alright. Kanjam Cooks, Ma'am Charity is playing your video now before she connect you. Wong Mo, Kanjam Cook on the way. Alright. Thank you so much, Wong Mo. Wong Mo, I'm in your channel now. 1 banana from host. Wong Mo, 1 sub from the host. Sorotan. Wow. I know that word sorotan already, Wong Mo. That is highlight. Alright. Wong Mo. I'm in your channel now. There is an ads, Wong Mo, playing the ads for you, Wong Mo.
What? Pudding? What?
Hi, Traveling Colombo. What's banana again? Sub. Subscriber, my friend. Subscriber. Badet, ayan, si Ma'am Charity. Puntahan, i-connect ka sa kanya. Si Ma'am Charity. Ayan, may pinin ako dyan na upcoming premiere si Ma'am Charity. Si Ma'am Charity monetize channel na yan. Nagbibigay ng sub. Banana. Nagdidikit yan. Maraming supporter yan si Ma'am Chari. Badet, puntahan mo po siya. Lalo na pag naglalay. Babalikan ka niya. Magbakas ka lang. Badet, sa kanyang, yan, the one I pin. Mabait yan, si Ma'am. Oh, Traveling Colombo, I'm in your channel now. Playing the Let's Go Cebu. As of the moment, this video has 42 views. That was uploaded 2 months ago with 3 likes. So, 1 banana for you, Traveling Colombo from the house. Thank you so much. Ayan, ang ganda ng Cebu. Di pa ako nakapunta doon. Traveling Colombo in your house. Alright, Kanjam Cooks. Thank you so much for connecting to my long time friend. Very good friend. Traveling Colombo. Na-monetize na po ako in just 1 month. Ay, wow! Ang galing-galing ni Ma'am Chari. Ma'am Chari, magba 1 year na ako. Magba 1 year na ako, ma'am. Ito, trying hard pa rin. Thank you so much, my friends. Traveling Colombo in your house from Kanjam Cooks. Tagal na. Oo nga, matagal na. Nahiya kasi ako mag-live noon, Ma'am Chari. Kasi, syempre, manipis pala yung mga skin ko noon. Kapal ko muna yung mga face lock ko. Tapos, ayun, nagka-guts na ako mag-live. Nakaka 2 hours na ako. Nung isang beses pa nga, Ma'am Chari, inabot ako ng 5 oras sa kakangaw-ngaw. Diyos ko, nakakapagod. Thanks, Traveling. Done to you. Done subscribing, Charity Diary. Alright, my friend Traveling. Very good yan. Good friend yan, si Charity. Tingnan mo, hindi ko pa matagal friend yan. Galing yan kay Ma'am Chona. Kay Ma'am Chona, Adventure Vlog. Pero doon ko siya nakilala. Pero very supportive siya. Tingnan mo, nandito siya ngayon. Nagtatambay. Papauwi na rin si Ma'am Chari. Mag-iingat ka, Ma'am Chari. 1 banana for you from the host, Traveling Colombo. I'm almost done with your video. Babakasan natin. Alright, fully watch na ako, Badet. Surutan for Wong Lakraks playing. Preview net. Thank you so much, Preview net. Oy, ano yung ginagawa ni... Ito palang aso ang gumagalaw ng aking... Ito palang si Imul naman. Ginagalaw mo yung camera ko, Imul. Sige lang, Sisiko. Pwede mo na iwan live mo. Mag-SC ka para hanggang umaga. Opo, mag-silent po ako. Mamaya. Ang 30 minutes more to go bago ako 30 minutes more to go ang aking welcome remarks. 30 minutes pa po ang aking welcome remarks and then magsa-silent LS na po ako magdamag ng 10 o'clock. Thank you so much again, my friends. Why so lonely, my friend Crabs? Your video is still playing, my friend, because it is very long. It is long video, so I cannot finish right away. Crabs, I want you to meet my friend there, Traveling Colombo. You can connect with Traveling Colombo, Crabs. Very good friend of mine, traveling Colombo. She is my friend long time ago in Dasmariñas, Cavite. We were classmates in college. Thank you so much, Kanjam Cooks, for connecting to Traveling Colombo. Traveling Colombo, ayan, si Kanjam Cooks has connected to you. Please connect back, Traveling Colombo. Kanjam Cooks, done with the ribs, my friend. Very sumptuous ribs. I am going to your channel again, Kanjam Cooks, and pick another video for you. Chari, salamat din. Another banana for you, another sub for you, Kanjam Cooks from the host. Kanjam Cooks, another sub for you from the host. This one, morning at Milton Farmers Market. Morning at Milton Farmers Market is playing for you, Kanjam Cooks. At present, Kanjam Cooks, this video of yours, morning at the Milton Farmers Market, has 158 views and 40 likes. Alright, playing one banana for you, one sub for you, Kanjam Cooks from the host. You're always welcome, Kanjam Cooks. Tignan natin, nag-ano kasi itong isang laptop na mamatay-matay. Kanjam Cooks, done connect from Wongmu. Thank you so much, Wongmu, for connecting to my friend Kanjam Cooks. Thanks, Wongmu from Kanjam Cooks. I feel the love. Alright, you're always love in my live stream, Kanjam Cooks. Whenever you come, you always welcome to my live stream. Wongmo, your Sorotan is playing, my friend. Your Sorotan, Wongmo. Don't worry. Wongmo, Sorotan. 21.14 to 26.14. Dari Wong Lakrak Sedang Live Sekarang. Halan Yok. I do not know what does that mean. Wongmo, I do not know what does that mean, but the word Sorotan, as you have taught me, it means highlight. Right, my friend? Hi, Melita Madaya, going to your house now. Oh, don't you worry, Kanjam Cooks. My sister, Hi Melita, is just a support system, my friend. No worries. Thank you so much. Morning at Milton Farmers is still playing. 3% done to this video of yours, Kanjam Cooks. Nasaan na si Cebu? Ala, naglaho na si Cebu. Tumalon na. Crafts and embroidery, my friend. Done with your August video, my friend.
Tesla, random tamang. Random arin niya.
Okay, got it, host. Yes, don't you worry, my friend. Kanjam Cooks. You just connect with them there, down there, our friends down there. Crafts and embroidery. Wongmo. Kanjam Cooks, my friend Wongmo is very supportive. He's from Indonesia, and this is a preview net, a Filipino friend also. Is very supportive. You can connect with them, my friend. Kanjam Cooks. Wongmo Lakrak is from Indonesia. Wongmo, his main channel is Wong Lakrak. This guy, very good friend, is from Indonesia. She always do live streaming at the afternoon Philippine time, in the afternoon Philippine time.
What is this?
Preview net in your house. Preview net, andyan sa bahay mo si Kanjam Cooks. You can, Kanjam Cooks, you can, yan, welcome mo siya. Welcome mo siya, my friend. On the way siya from Chicago to Preview net. Kanjam Cooks is from Chicago, on the way to the Philippines to Preview net house. Alright, thank you so much, my friends. Who am I Mix TV? Who am I Mix TV? Who am I Mix TV? Hello, hello, hello. Who am I Mix TV? Welcome, welcome to my live stream. Who am I Mix TV? Thank you for the thumbs up, my friend. Good evening to you. Who am I Mix TV? Welcome to Abra. Who am I Mix TV? I'm in Abra. Northern part of the Philippines, part of the Cordillera Administrative Region. Alright, mabundok po dito po sa amin. Who am I, friend? Who am I, Mix TV? I want you to meet my friends down there. They are Crafts and Embroidery, Charity, Wong Lakrak, Wong Mu, Kanjam Cooks is very supportive, my friend. Preview net, Preview net and Wong Mu. Thank you so much. I connect.
Thank you so much, Kamigan. Kain tayo. Hindi pa ako nakabihis. Talagang nag-rush ako. Ang problema ito. Yung mouse ko ayaw gumana.
Morning at the Milton Farmers, still playing Kanjam Goods. Ay, goods. Goods ako ng goods. Cooks pala yan. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Gusto ko nito. Who am I? Before, I always heard that. Where is your nocturnal insects? Agree ka. Mag-backread ako. Stay, miss. Alright, Wong Mo. I'm still in your sorotan, in your highlight, my friend. Sometimes hard to connect to the Philippines because of the time difference. Glad to make the connection. Oh, wow. Yes, because we have time difference. 12 hours ba? Is it 12 hours? Kanjam Cooks? Where is your nocturnal insects? What is that? Before, I always heard that. Who am I? Mix TV. I have this very good friend here, Kanjam Cooks. You can connect with each other, guys. And also with Wong Mu. Wong Mu is from Indonesia. And Crafts and Embroidery is from Pakistan. Who am I? Mix TV, where are you from, my friend? May I know? Alright, Preview Net, where are you, my friend? Kanjam Cooks has connected to you, Preview Net. Traveling Colombo. Pinagtatawanan mo ako dyan. Ayan, mag-connect ka. Traveling Colombo kay Kanjam Cooks. From Chicago yan. Chicago. Kanjam Cooks, I want you to meet my friend down there. Traveling Colombo. Traveling Colombo is from Cavite. She is a very good, long time friend. We were friends and classmates in college way back 1996 to 2000. All right. Matanda na tayo, Badet. Matanda na tayo. Matanda na tayo. At ito, ang aming stress reliever. Whitey na lang every time. Host, it's now 9:41. All right, 9:41. All right, I think you have work. If you have work, Kanjam Cooks, thank you so much, my friend Kanjam Cooks, for visiting my live stream, for connecting to my friends. Thank you so much. Who am I? Mix TV in your house. All right, who am I? Please welcome Kanjam Cooks in your house. Then subscribing. All right, Badet, nalpas ko J-Quad. Natapos ko na yung Cebu. Kanjam Cooks, are you already monetized channel? Are you a monetized channel, Kanjam Cooks? Because in your video, my friend, there is ads. And of course, I'm watching the ads for revenue. All right. Naku, umuulan na po ng malakas dito sa amin. Mamaya, wala na naman akong signal, guys. Please bear with me. Bear with me if I will be able to disconnect. Ano ba yung English ko? If I got disconnected, please bear with me, guys, because the electric provider in Abra is not good. Shout out naman dyan, electric provider in Abra. They always do the brown out. And I cannot do the live streaming always because of the power interruption of that. Crafts and embroidery. This is my friend Traveling Colombo, the one I'm talking a while ago. She is a very good friend. Crafts and embroidery. She is a Filipino. And Crafts and Embroidery is a friend from in Pakistan. Alright. Traveling Colombo. Ayan, si friend ko yan. Si Crafts and Embroidery from Pakistan.
I like the headphones because
You have long video, my friend Kanjam Cooks. Who am I? Mix TV, subscribe from Kanjam Cooks. Alright. Kanjam Cooks, may I know if you are already monetized? New sub from me, Kanjam Cooks, for this morning at the Milton Farmers. New sub from me, banana. Wong Mo, I will check your video. Alright, 15% done, Wong Mo. Wong Mo is a good friend also. Traveling Colombo, please connect to Wong Mo. He's a good friend in Indonesia. Alright. Who am I? Mix TV, may I know where you from, my friend? Crafts and Embroidery is from Pakistan. Hello from Pakistan. Sorotan for Wong Lakrak is still playing.
Dito, tapos na. Sulang pala yun.
how you do that?
Sige, go into your live stream.
Hello! Ayan dyan si Ma'am Kusina sa Langga. Ay, ala Ma'am, Kusina sa Langga. Nakaka-touch naman. Pinuntahan mo ang maliit na kagaya ko. Uy. Ma'am Kusina sa Langga. Ay, Ma'am Kusina ni Langga. Thank you so much. Good evening to you. Magandang gabi po sa iyo. Naimbag nga rabaikan ka, Kusina ni Langga. Napakabait itong si Kusina ni Langga. Guys, please connect to Kusina ni Langga. Pag napunta kayo sa kanyang live stream, anakaw, very kind-hearted ito, si Kusina ni Langga. Tsaka matatouch kayo sa mga words of wisdom ni Ma'am Kusina ni Langga. Alright.
Dami nag-live ka?
Opo ma'am. Opo. Ma'am, Kanjam Gooks, thank you so much for connecting to my friend Kusina ni Langga. Very kind-hearted friend si Kusina ni Langga from Manila. She is from Manila. And Kusina ni Langga, Kusina ni Langga, Ma'am Kusina ni Langga, si Kanjam Cooks is from Chicago. Mabait din yan, ma'am. Bago lang sa channel ko ngayon lang, pero ang dami, connect. Naku, maliit din ako, sis. Ay, maliit daw. Si ma'am, pa-humble pa. Uy. Kuya Ador, mega love shout out. Kuya Ador, mega love shout out from Kusina ni Langga. Kuya Ador, yung 30 minutes video mo still playing for Ador. Di pa, Batangas 2. Di pa Batangas to Makati City. Patara pasyal ulit tayo, Kuya Ador. Pasensya ka na, Kuya Ador, na masyadong mahaba ang iyong live, ang iyong video. Still playing. Hello! Mega love shout out. Lucky Lucille in the person of Ma'am iConnect Insights and Beyond. Guys, pag naboring na kayo dito sa akin, punta na kayo kay Ma'am iConnect Insights and Beyond. Kay iConnect Insights and Beyond, very supportive din yan. Si Ma'am iConnect. Yay, salamat. Kusina ni Langga. Ay, wow. I'm in Canada. Alright. Kanjam Goods is in Canada now. Please connect to Kanjam Cooks. Badet, tulog ka na ba, Badet? Oo nga, magte-10 na.
Sir John, done na.
Mag-end po ang ang welcome remarks ko po, guys. Mag-end ng 10 and then
Nandito ako sa channel mo, sige.
and then ano lang na lang po ako. Sa silent live stream na lang po ako. Sana okay pa ang signal ko kasi umuulan. Shout out naman dyan, provider ng electric cooperative ng aming probinsyang Abra. Crafts and embroidery I want you to meet a very good friend, a very good YouTuber here, kind-hearted, in the person of Kusina ni Langga. Ay, holiday in Montreal today. No work. Wala ka palang work ngayon. Nandyan ka na pala sa Montreal. Mega love shout out to you, my friend Badet. Mag-iingat ka lagi dyan, ha, Badet. Iniwan mo na si nanay sa Dasma. Yes. Badet, traveling ko lang po. Si Kusina ni Langga, Badet. Mabait siya. Pag napunta ka sa kanyang live, ang gaganda ng mga words to ponder ni Ma'am. Crafts, I want you to meet the very good friend in YouTube, Kusina ni Langga. Crafts, please connect to Kusina ni Langga. Very supportive yan. Ang hirap pala magngangaw-ngaw. Ala, magti 3 hours na pala ako, kaya sumasakit na yung ulo ko. Wong Lakrak, your sorotan. May I check your sorotan here? Alright, siguro 35% na ito. Wow, thank you Sisi Koy, Kusina. Well, sa'yo ko natutunan ito, Kusina, lahat ng sabi mo, lahat ng pumupunta sa channel, maski kung sino man yan, wag lang mambuli Wini-welcome, di ba? Yes, thank you so much, Ma'am iConnect. Pag naboring na kayo guys sa akin, punta kayo kay Ma'am iConnect Insights and Beyond. Mabait din yan si Ma'am iConnect. Nagwe-welcome remarks pa si Ma'am iConnect. Mamaya magsa-silent na rin siya. O diba? Kilala ko yan. Sun Kids! Sun Kids! Alright, Sun Kids, I will pin. Sun Kids has a baby channel. Sun Kids, please connect to Kusina ni Langga, Sun Kids. Connect to Kusina ni Langga, Sun Kids. Kusina ni Langga is a very good friend. She is already a monetized channel. She can give you lots of bananas and watch hour when you connect to Kusina ni Langga. And when you connect to Kusina ni Langga, please don't forget to leave a comment so she can connect you back easily. Alright. I will pin the upcoming premiere of Kusina ni Langga, my friends. There. You can connect to Kusina ni Langga via this upcoming premiere, the one I pin. Alright guys, thank you so much. Kamag-anak mo ba ni Wash, yung volleyball player? Oh, kamag-anak daw niya. Si Madi. Oh yes. Kamag-anak niya. Di nga lang kami nanonood. Wala badet, sira ang aming TV. Wala akong pambili kasi sinira ng magaling na electric provider namin sa brown out. Ayan, nasira ang aming, actually dalawang TV na yan, nasira na LED. Smart TV yung pangalawang nasira sa brown out. Kaya pag bumili na lang kami ng TV, sabay na lang yung ADR siguro. Saka na lang, pag mamonetize niya ako, kailan kaya ako mamonetize? Kanjam Cooks at Kusina ni Langga subscribe. Alright ma'am, may nag-subscribe na po sa iyo. Si Kanjam Cooks from Canada is a very good friend. Si Kanjam Cooks. Baby pa yan ma'am, Kusina. Thank you guys. I will connect in return from Kusina ni Langga. Still watching. Wow, nagwa-watch pa rin si Ma'am I Connect. Si Ma'am I Connect yan, si Lucky Lucille. I Connect Insights and Beyond is Lucky Lucille. You can also go to her live streaming now, my friend. I Connect Insights and Beyond is doing the live streaming. Keep going. Alright. Oo nga, ma'am. Ina-enjoy ko lang to eh. Ma'am, Kusina ni Langga. Naka 8 plus na akong watch hour. Nililinisan ko na nga itong channel ko kasi mga na-CPR ko noon. May nag-advise kasi sa akin, ma'am, na kasi ang daw ngayon, ang tawag nun, ang uso ay yung mga OPM daw, mag-upload daw ako. Pero parang naisip ko, lilinisin ko na naman yun. Sayang. Hayaan mo na lang. Organic na lang yung gagawin ko. Kanjam Cooks. Kanjam Cooks. Lucky Lucille is Kusina ni Langga. Lucky Lucille is I Connect Insights and Beyond. Yes, very supportive channel also. Elisa Vlog. Good evening to you, my friend. Elisa Vlog. Good evening, Elisa Vlog. Magandang gabi sa iyo, my friend. Kape-kape, miss. Alright. Wow. Magkape-kape ka muna dyan. Surutan. No. Magkape-kape ka muna dyan, Wong mo, because your surutan has lots of ads, my friend. Congratulations. Wong Lakrak, it has, alright, 9-minute ads. Two of the ads here in your video, my friend Wong Lakrak has 9-minute ads. Alright, congratulations to you. And a banana from me to Wong Lakrak. Elisa, tamsak po. Salamat naman po, Elisa, sa iyong pagtamsak sa akin. Sige, magpo-play ako ng video mo.
Ayos.
Kuya Adormix Vlog, andyan nakapin si Kusina ni Langga. Guys, pwede naman tusukan natin si Kusina ni Langga. Si Kusina ni Langga, basta mag-iwan lang kayo ng bakas, babalikan kayo niyan. Mabait yan. Tsaka very humble yan si Kusina ni Langga. Kuya Adormix Vlog, Kanjam Cooks, host, you are a network of connections. Guys, narinig siguro ako ni Abreco. Pinatayan ako ng ilaw. Kaya sorry guys di bale ito. Iiwan ko itong laptop. Baka mamaya magkakailaw din kami. Kasi yung internet. When there is brown out, you know guys, when we have there is brown out, the internet is not functional. It's not already functional. So bear with me guys, don't worry. I'm going to finish all your videos when the current comes back. Alright, thank you so much again. I have to end this live. Very emergency. Emergency. Kuya Joel Alagad, nagdilim na ate dahil nag-brown out na. Shinout out ko kasi si Abreco. Ayan, pinatayan na ako ng ilaw. Ganto kami dito sa Abra guys. Laging nagba-brown out. Umulan lang. Kasi ang aming Abra Electric Cooperative takot sa ulan. You know, umulan lang na, basta may ulan, takot na yan. Nag-hibernate na yan. Ano na yan, nagtatago na. Ewan ko, baka tamaan siguro ng kidlat siguro pag maulan. Kaya nag-hibernate na. Kaya, ayan, naintindihan namin ikaw, Abreco. Dahil meron kang fear of ulan. Ano bang tawag nun? Fear of ulan. Natatakot sa ulan. Too bad. This was great. Alright, Kanjam Goods. Thank you so much to all of you. I'm going to end this live because we have no current now. And the battery of my cell phone is 10 minutes already. And we don't have a generator set in our place. Kusina Nilangga, Charity, Lucky Lucille. Thank you so much, Lucky Lucille. Sorry, Ma'am iConnect, hindi kita mabantayan na ngayon kasi magra-run off battery na ako. Wala na kaming connection. Ito na lang, naka-standby yung cellphone ko na pwedeng mobile data lang yan na gamit ko pero 10% na lang yung battery niya. Kanjam Goods, thank you so much again my friend. I enjoyed connecting with you, Kanjam Goods. Lucky Lucille in the person of iConnect Insights and Beyond. Guys, talon kayo kay iConnect Insights and Beyond. iConnect Insights and Beyond, mabait yan. Nagbibigay yan ng watch hour. Kuya Joel Alagad, thank you so much. Wumu, don't worry my friend, your sorotan is going to finish. Kuya Ador, don't worry, your 33 minutes video, tatapusin ko na ko yan. Elisa Vlog, pupunta ako sa channel mo pag nagkailaw na kami. Thank you so much again my friend. I have to end this live na. Thank you so much. I enjoyed the connecting with you all with this 2 hours and 49 minutes chit-chatting. Thank you so much again. I wish you all good night. Safe. Oh, ano ba yan? Huwag nyo namang galawin itong aking camera. Sweet dreams all of you and have a nice day in your place, Kanjam Cooks. I pray, I wish you very good day ahead. Thank you so much again. Okay, my friends, thank you so much. I have to end this live na. Wala kaming ilaw, my friends. So, ayan, brown out. Naka-data lang ako, pero 10 minutes na lang yung battery ko. Alright, goodbye to all of you. I love you all. Bye!